Sir, good afternoon, sir. I am Christine Emerald of DS Crim 2, and we are here to talk about the automated fingerprints identification system. Let's start. We are here to talk about what is the automated fingerprint identification system. An AFIS is a biometric solution consisting of a computer database of fingerprint records, which is able to search and compare them to identify known or unknown fingerprints. And here, yung AFIS, yung mas pinadali siya for fingerprint na kinakailangan siya ng technology or database para ma-consult or a computer to record a fingerprint. Hindi na yung ginagamit natin na ink. Ito mas pinadali siya kasi kailangan na dito ng solution and a computer. O ano ha ba yung historical development niya. Ang AFIS is na-create siya noong 1970s, trained by the FBI, and this was link of fingerprints and various were noted minutiae details. And dito yung historical development niya is parang mas nga pinadali. Pag may hinawakan ka lang, or either pwede siyang i-scan with pwede siyang ilagay na minutiae, tapos i-scan na lang siya, and upon that, mas okay na siya, and hindi na siya hassle sa atin kasi mas detail na siya, and according din sa mga patterns niya, like whirls or mga loops and arches. And dito, mas yung method niya or kung paano siya gawin is na-develop na siya, and alam naman natin, new technology meron ng technology to gather all, and that's why yung digital, ayun yung ginagamit natin. For example, pag kumukuha tayo ng driver license, ayun yung digital na igaganon mo lang, itatap mo lang yung hands mo, and yung fingerprint mo is nandun na, and yung mismong computer or yung mas ginagawa is siya na yung gagawa or siya na yung magtatam sa fingerprint mo. And dito pwede siyang ulitin. Pwede siyang ulit-ulitin pag hindi malinaw or what. Ayun nga, nasabi ko, development siya na ng technology, and ayun nga yung sinasabi ko na yun. Yung para sa minutiae. For example, when yun nga. And ayun nga. And paano nga ba ito nag-work yung AFIS? AFIS work purpose of comparison and search. And may tinatawag sa AFIS na templates. Like pag nag-edit ka, you have to use templates for creating an PowerPoint or make that presentation okay. That's a called template. But in AFIS is a mathematical representation. It's called stored of fingerprints image. Ayun naman, yun sa template na yon, ini-stored lahat ng mga fingerprint nyo to identify or para ma-search or ma-match kung ano yung template na gagawin nyo, and yung AFIS work, hindi siya yung actual images. It's as compared sa totoo talaga. And yung result nito para mabuo siya is ayun nga, napapabilis siya, faster search times, tapos ginagamit din siya to our IDs, like national IDs in biometric ensures para malalaman kung sino talaga tayo, or kung paano na-identify yung fingerprint. And this AFI's work, kinakailangan siya na ma-screen siya sa pure fiction. Like yung parang dapat edible or malinaw siya, although scan na nga siya about computer, dapat din malinis siya tignan, and yun nga. And etong works na to is para siyang authentic siya kasi bago lang siya, parang bago siya pero mas pinadali yung buhay natin to find or to test a fingerprint. Yon. And the next naman is who are the main user of AFIS? The mostly used by governments for identification in elections, civil registers, and also law enforcement and criminal investigation. This latent fingerprints, called latent prints in crime scene compared to database records to known criminals and unknown criminals. Ito nga, parang mas pinadali din yung buhay ng mga law enforcement dito, yung criminal and yung mga criminal investigation about when something happened, yung kahit lagyan na lang nilang ng minutiae and i-DOS nila, and pwede nilang scan doon with AFIS. And this management system, this management system po is parang nag-moderate or parang modalities na siya to test, even sa face kaya na siya, or even sa mga irises. And dito mas and yon yung automated fingerprints system is importante siya sa atin, lalo na sa mga law enforcement. If you do a crime scene or ano yung nagawa, discover at crime scene, ano yung mga fingerprint. And dito, pag yung clue natin, yung kunyari may suspect ka, if the clue was not there or hindi siya malinaw, using a fingerprints can identify or pwede siyang ipalinaw ng isang digital lang, like an automated fingerprints. And these steps, may print pa rin siya but hindi siya malinaw, but the gather of the automated fingerprint is kaya niyang i-identify. And these are the breaks into the and dito yung breaks niya para makuha yung minutiae, like yung mga bifurcation niya, yung mga ridges na, and that's a unique characteristics kasi kaya niya lahat. And then of course the system searching for the database para malaman niya nga kung sino yung gumawa or sino yung taong yun, para sa mga unknown fingerprints, para dun sa mga records niya. And sobrang bilis lang kasi agad-agad niyang na-identify talaga. And yung importance sa atin nito is parang nag-grow tayo and growing the advancement in biometrics and security and of course technology also. And parang may sense siya na sa atin na parang nabablend na siya in the traditional fingerprint kaysa you may using yung ink lang, you have to use na digital. Kahit yung mga known or unknown prints, accurate siya sa dun sa digital and of course dun sa ink. That's why it's an importance to us. And ayun nga, and ito yung significance niya in forensic science. Parang yung significance niya sa forensic science is parang nakakabuo or nakaka-involve na siya ng mga, nakaka-identify na siya ng mga suspects niya, and nasa-search niya na yung mga identities ng mga tao or criminals and victims and also unknown people. And AFIS is important to forensic science kasi parang ayun yung pinaka-quality or embodied ng mga fingerprints. Ayun nga, yung parang sa forensic science ginagamit na yon yung traditional, yung ink lang, and that's why we have a new development, which means yung technology nga and nagamit yung automated. And hindi pa rin naman siya mawawala kasi wala pa rin napapatunayan na nag-error yung automated sa totoong traditional. And wala pa siyang mistake upon that about my searching, and nadidecrease na siya eh. And dito, nadidecrease na yung errors tsaka yung mga mistakes. Kasi pag traditional, hindi mo sure kung ayun nga talaga kasi sobrang labo. When it comes naman sa automated naman is parang okay na siya, malinaw na siya, pwede siyang ipalinaw or pwede siyang ayusin to identify a person. Yun. Thank you, sir. Good day po, and yeah, ayun na po ang aking presentation. Thank you, sir.